Brad Williams, Excel primed. Combine 3 individual lists into a new 15-row, 1-column lists. We've done this before. Did this with HSTACK. We're going to do this with VSTACK. The first concern is, why is this name? There's no output here. What's going on? Well, here's HSTACK, but you remember what I said when we run into this situation, just go into the formula bar and hit go, and there's HSTACK. Only difference here is, well, H versus a V. Here we have our data, traditional. This is what we're focusing on in terms of this particular tutorial. We have 3 arrays. We're grabbing the data here, but keep in mind, what are we trying to achieve? We're trying to grab everything for our headers. We're including our headers here, B4 to B8. Recognize our block. We're taking data 2028 through D8. We're going to do this for each series of golfers. And VSTACK is just going to put them on top of one another, starting at the top, working down. Over here, this is just a review. Keep in mind that you can always change this up. What I did, see here, I took B4 to B8, but then I did not want the winners, and it's still, you can see B11, B15. It did not spit out the data here. It didn't spit out this. See how I have this B11, B15, and I went B11 to B15. See that it didn't put together this 2029 and 2030 data. Why? I don't know. There's some things I just don't have answers to, and this is one of them. If you can figure out why there's a deficiency here, let me know. Over here, read the narrative. Over here is the anatomy. This is a snapshot of this formula and this input. Play around with this stuff. Hit F9 to your heart's content. Change it up. If you don't like golfers, change it up to whatever works for you. And for those of you wondering why our output was not viewable, there could just be something technical. It's color. The background was not colored in black. All I did was go up into the ribbon, and in the color adjustment, the front color, I just changed. It was transparent. In other words, it was matching the same color as this green. I just changed it to black, and there's the answer. HSTACK works. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for watching.